anti-paper leak bill to be debated today as Parliament ends week-long deadlock after a week-repeated discussion of the NEET paper leak. But NDA is alleging that India Alliance is not allowing debate on paper leak.
See, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಕ್ಷ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ
Sir, please English, sir.
See, our Congress party has demanded an apology from the Home Minister Amit Shah because he was the one who has ordered police brutality against protesting students. So first, the Home Minister should apologize to the students. Then, whatever discussions can happen. So this demand has to be met. Only then Parliament can proceed.
So Rahul Gandhi says Dharmendra Pradhan is a symbol of corruption.
No, that's true. Because under his watch, when he was a minister, so many exam papers have got leaked. So he has become a symbol of corruption. That's why the youth had so much rage against him and finally had to oblige and give resignation.
Sir, police scrutiny found that over 980 people with criminal records at CJP protest sites, including murder, rape, over 900.
One of the demands of the CJP leaders and the student leaders before calling of the protest was to take back all the FIRs. So even though the government had promised that all the FIRs would be withdrawn, still these FIRs have been filed. So the government has taken back his words. So that's not the proper thing to do. So the students and BJP leaders should demand to withdraw all these FIRs, and our Congress party will also support.
Sir, Karnataka is facing drought situation. So how it is going to curb the how going to
See, already Chief Minister has conducted meetings with all the district administration. Divisional meeting has already taken, and the district in charge ministers have also taken meetings in their respective districts. And the government has released 1 crore for each assembly constituency to combat drinking water crisis. And if the dry spell continues, then the drought situation will be declared officially. Then from the NG, the National Disaster Relief Fund and the state entities will get funds. So with that, we can help the farmers to tide over the drought situation.
Sir, regarding the meetings of state parliaments led by D.K. Shivakumar, President is 13 points pending before the central government.
What I didn't get it.
Sir, 13 proposals are pending before central government. So that CM has taken a meeting of MPs
Karnataka MPs.
Yeah, see, whatever the proposal state government has given to central government, those proposals have to be cleared. And our MPs being elected from our state, they should try to help state to get those proposals clear. Okay,
Sir, one more.